You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome along. Today we're jumping right into the sometimes dizzying world of cybersecurity. We've got some fresh updates covering everything from personal data leaks right through to AI.
Yeah, it's a landscape that shifts so fast, doesn't it? It really demands you stay sharp, both on the threats and, the strategies people are developing.
So our goal here is really just to cut through some of that noise for you.
Exactly. Give you the crucial updates, a clear picture of what's happening, and maybe more importantly, why it actually matters day to day.
Okay, let's kick things off with breaches. And it often comes back to the human element, doesn't
It
it?
really does.
Like this TAP breach, pretty alarming. 72,000 user images, and get this, 13,000 of those were selfies or IDs used for verification.
Wow.
Affecting users who signed up before February 2024. And apparently, that data ended up on 4chan.
Oh, man.
Wow.
The potential for identity theft there is just huge. It really reminds me of the Allianz Life breach, too. Similar kind of vector, wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Social engineering, essentially tricking people, right, to get into a third-party CRM system.
Mm-hmm. And that hit, 1.4 million North American customers?
That's the number.
Yeah.
It just shows, the most advanced tech doesn't always help if the human element is vulnerable.
It's the classic weak link. And sometimes it's not even tricky social engineering, it's just oversight.
Right. Like the Post SMTP WordPress plugin flaw. CVE 2025, 24,000.
Still a problem.
Yeah, apparently over 200,000 sites are still vulnerable. Admin accounts can be hijacked just through password resets because of broken access controls that weren't patched.
And the fix is out there?
Yep, version 3.3 released back in June, but people just aren't updating. Basic stuff, really.
A constant battle.
Okay, so human error is one thing, but then you throw AI into the mix and things get, complicated. It really feels like a double-edged sword.
Absolutely. AI can write code incredibly fast, which is great, but it can also bake in new vulnerabilities just as quickly.
So like the rooting Copilot discovery. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, that was fascinating. Researchers found a way to get root access, basically full control, inside Microsoft's Copilot Enterprise Python sandbox.
Wow.
It came down to path hijacking. Essentially, they tricked the system into running a malicious program by messing with how it searches for files. It shows even sophisticated AI tools can have these sort of fundamental security gaps.
Right, basic oversights, tripping up advanced tech. But then AI also being used for defense, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. Look at OSS-Fuzz-Gen. That uses large language models, LLMs, to automatically create fuzzing tools.
Fuzzing. That's throwing unexpected data at software to see if it breaks.
Finding weaknesses. And OSS-Fuzz-Gen is automating the setup for C and C++ projects. They've successfully integrated, I think, 88 out of 225 repositories they tested.
So it's speeding up finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do.
Precisely. It's an arms race, and AI is definitely playing for both sides.
Okay, this next one sounds like it combines everything. Human factors, advanced tech, scattered spider.
Yes. They're reportedly on a bit of a spree targeting VMware ESXi systems.
How are they getting in?
It often starts with social engineering, getting access to vCenter that manages the virtual servers. Then they enable remote access, like SSH.
Okay.
And then they do these disk swap attacks to steal Active Directory databases. We're talking the keys to the kingdom, really.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then they wipe the backups, deploy ransomware, they've hit retail, airlines, transport, insurance. It's coordinated and pretty damaging.
That really highlights the whole supply chain security issue, doesn't it? Making sure the components you use are secure.
It absolutely does, which is where things like ChainGuard's new libraries for Python come in. They're building Python packages directly from source code.
How does that help?
Well, they do it inside a secure setup that meets SLSA Level 2 standards. Think of it as a way to guarantee the software hasn't been tampered with. It's designed to block what they call software dark matter.
Hidden malicious bits. Yeah, aiming to stop about 98% of known malicious packages, especially after things like those PyTorch attacks we saw.
And just when you think you have a way to detect AI manipulation.
Someone finds a way around it. You thinking of UnMarker.
Exactly. The tool that messes with AI watermarks in images.
Right. It targets the spectral amplitude, these hidden patterns, to basically make the watermark undetectable. Even if you don't know how the watermark works, it's a direct hit against deepfake detection.
So much going on. It feels like we've just had a whirlwind tour of threats exploits, defenses.
It really shows the pace, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Human vulnerabilities aren't going away. AI is both a tool and a weapon, and attackers are getting incredibly sophisticated.
Which leads to the big question, I suppose.
Yeah, as the tech races ahead, how do we actually, strategically protect our systems and our data against threats that are constantly changing shape? It's more than just patching. It's about thinking ahead.
You really see the ingenuity on both sides, the attack and the defense. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? How do you stay one step ahead in this constantly shifting digital world?
Spoken Tech for your ears.